Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nahir and I make videos about veganism, graphic design, and college vlogs or college things in general. But this week I am showing you everything that I eat as a vegan for the entire week. So this was filmed a couple weeks ago, but let's get into it. So for Monday, I actually started my day off eating oatmeal. Love me some oatmeal. This has some bananas, some peanut butter, and I think some dates. I also sprinkled some cinnamon up in there. Oatmeal is like one of my favorite foods. It's nutritious, it's delicious, it's so versatile. And then I actually had some edamame. I bought some edamame from Aldi the other day. It was actually like a bag of steamable edamame. I put it in the microwave for like 4 minutes and then I sprinkled salt and pepper in it. And then for dinner on Monday night, I had enfrijoladas. I heated up some corn tortillas, blended up some black beans, and then I made kind of like a tofu scramble with broccoli, onion, bell pepper, tofu, added some turmeric up in there. For dessert, I ate some sesame halva with pistachios. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I found it at a German grocery store and it's really, really good. Then for Tuesday, Lord and behold, I had another bowl of oatmeal because oatmeal is a superior food. It just is. I think I had like the exact same toppings. And then as a snack, I had a rice cake with apples and cinnamon. And then I also put this chocolate hummus that I found at Aldi as well. And I don't know what happened with my dinner video. I don't even remember what I ate for dinner that day. But for Wednesday, I had some more enfrijoladas. This time it was with some rice and some broccoli, and I had it with some orange juice. And it was literally so delicious. This has turned into like one of my favorite meals whenever I'm home. Like this is all I eat for literally every breakfast or dinner. Then as a snack, I had these elevation apple pie bars that are supposed to resemble Luna bars. And then for dinner, I had kind of like a rice bowl with black beans, tofu, rice, corn, and broccoli. It was super yummy. It was just like a very easy, quick meal, and I used up a lot of leftovers, so there is no food waste up in this channel. As a snack, I had some thin wheat crackers and some tea, actually. I got the thin wheat crackers from Aldi as well. And I don't remember what tea this is, if I'm being honest with you. But it was some tea that I enjoyed for the night. For Thursday, I had more orange juice and nothing special here. More oatmeal, literally the same topping. I am so predictable. Oh, I forgot to add that I usually put chia seeds in my oatmeal. And I like to eat it with like soy milk, vanilla soy milk. My favorite. Oh my gosh, my favorite. Then for lunch on this day, my mom made like a butternut squash soup, which was freaking delicious. And I made a kale salad with some corn, carrot, avocado, and eggplant that my mom marinated in olive oil, which was super, super delicious. And for the kale salad, I just put my dressing. I just watered down some hummus and it is so freaking delicious. And I'm not too sure what was in the butternut squash soup, but it was delicious as well. So thank you, madre, for making me this soup. As a snack for this day, I had some rice cakes, but I think I put peanut butter on it instead of that chocolate hummus, and then I just topped it with an apple, or cut up an apple into slices with some cinnamon. And then for Friday, decided to be quirky and have 2 rice cakes with peanut butter and banana slices, and then I also topped it with cinnamon and some coconut flakes. And I ate this while reading Life of Pi, which I still haven't finished yet, and it's been like a couple weeks. I'm working on it. For lunch or dinner on this day, I had some leftover rice, a corn tortilla, and then a tofu scramble with some broccoli, black beans, corn. Gotta love it. Any kind of veggie that I have in my fridge, I put in there. I think I put some Brussels sprouts in there too. Super good. Then as a snack, I also picked up these Turkish delights from that German supermarket that I mentioned earlier, and I ate more of that halva. I tried the vanilla and chocolate one, and then I had a little bit more of the pistachio. And that's everything that I ate this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down below, and like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed down below, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be making more what I eat in a day, more college vlogs, and more art studio vlogs if you're into that. If not, it was cool having you on here. And yeah, that's it. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much again, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.